In this video, I'll guide you through how to change the time zone in Microsoft Bookings so your appointments line up correctly for you and your customers. Getting the time zone right is critical, especially if you work with people in different regions, because even a small mismatch can lead to missed meetings or confusion. I'll walk you through each step slowly and clearly, and I'll also explain what each setting actually does so you can pick the option that fits your situation best. First, open your browser and go to the Microsoft Bookings site at bookms. When the page loads and you're signed in, look for your shared booking page. This is the public-facing page that your customers or clients use to schedule appointments with you or your team. Go ahead and select that shared booking page so we can adjust its settings. Once you're inside that booking page, focus on the menu on the left-hand side of the screen. In this left sidebar, find and click on the option called Booking Page. This area controls how your booking page appears to customers and how it behaves behind the scenes, including time zone behavior and regional settings. After you click Booking Page, the main panel will show a list of options you can customize. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. Near the bottom, you'll see a section labeled Region and Time Zone Settings. It may be collapsed at first, so if you only see the title, click on it to expand and reveal the settings inside. Inside this Region and Time Zone Settings section, look for the field called Current Time Zone. This is the time zone that Microsoft Bookings uses as the reference for your business hours and your staff's availability. Open the drop-down menu and change the current time zone to your preferred location. Make sure you choose the city or region that accurately reflects where your business operates, not just where one customer is. This helps keep your calendar and appointment reminders consistent. Now, there is an important setting here that really affects how your customers see available time slots. You'll see a checkbox labeled Always Show Time Slots in Business Time Zone. If you want every visitor, no matter where they are in the world, to see your booking times in your business's local time, then make sure this box is checked. This is a good choice if you mostly serve local clients or you always want to communicate times in one standard zone, like all times are in Eastern Time. If you work with customers across different regions and you want bookings to automatically convert times for them, you may prefer the opposite. In that case, uncheck this box. When it's unchecked, Microsoft Bookings will try to detect the customer's location and show the available slots in their local time zone. This can make life easier for international or remote clients because they won't have to calculate time differences themselves. Once you've chosen the correct time zone and decided whether to always show time slots in your business time zone or in the customer's local time, you're ready to save your changes. Look for the Save button, usually near the top or bottom of the page, and click Save. Give the page a moment to update, and your new settings will be applied to your shared booking page. That's all you need to do to change the time zone in Microsoft Bookings and control how times appear to your customers.